Hello, everyone. This is Mr. Azael Vasquez speaking. In today's video, we're going to learn about bats, smart animals which help the ecosystem's balance. What do we know about bats? Bats are commonly known as the ugliest animal and also considered useless. Despite the fact this is only people's opinion, have you ever wondered if bats have played an important role in the balance of the ecosystem? Well, to clarify those questions and learn about these amazing animals, we are going to explore the bat's life, why they are important in ecosystems balance, and some interesting facts. To do it, we are going to follow these questions. What are bats? How is their life cycle? And how do they contribute to the ecosystem's balance? First, what are bats? According to the Bats Conservation Trust, which is an organization that protects bats' life, says bats are fascinating animals, the only true flying mammal that it is already known in Spanish, mamífero volador. There are over 1,400 species of bats in the world, and more are still being discovered. We already know that we have 1,400 species of bats, but scientists are still studying them because they can't find some new species of bats. They are top predators of common nocturnal insects and are sensitive to changes in land use practices. So that means that they help us to take control all the insects and pests. How is their life cycle? Well, the bat's life cycle is not very different to other animal cycles. But to better understanding and to know about them, let's take a look at their cycle. First, baby bats grow inside their mother for 50 to 60 days. Then, baby bats are called pups. Mother bats usually have one pup at a time, so they are not allowed to have a lot. They have one at a time. Then pups spend time together in a nursery while their mothers are out hunting for food, as you can see in the picture. Later, pups hold on to their mother while she flies to roost. They are small, so they are not allowed to fly. The pup cannot fly on its own until it is 2 to 3 months old. In the final stage, a bat it is mostly considered an adult when it is around 1 year old. This is actually the cycle of a bat to grow. How do they contribute to the ecosystem's balance? Well, because of their functions. Bats are also known as pollinators, which provide extensive value to the agricultural industry. As the study of the National Park Service 2024 says, more than 50 unique species of bats live in national parks, and different species provide different benefits. Some pollinate plants, others eat insects. Many serve as prey to other animals, and they all inspire scientific discoveries. Thanks to their role in the ecosystem balance, some areas that can be taken by pests are protected, and they pollinate some plants, helping them to grow, as some of them mangoes and corn, rice, grapes, and agave. Finally, I would like to add just the fact that the National Park Service Articles 2024 says some of bats' unique features like membrane wings and echolocation have inspired technological advances in engineering. For example, drones that have thin and flexible bat-like wings are in the works, as well as tiny, more efficient sonar systems for navigation. The wingsuits used by base jumpers take more than a few cues from bats' aerodynamic bodies. So they have inspired scientists and also engineers to make better some technological tools to look for information, scientific information that is going to be useful in future. Now, if you want to know more about bats and how to protect them, go to the link that I led you here. That's all for today's video. We already know that bats are helpful for ecosystems balance. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye.